Hey, Jace, can you come back over here? Come here. What are you gonna do, walk around the whole house with the chair? I know, it's scary, huh? Go over here. Let's push the chair back. Here, come here. Yeah, good job. Let's go in a circle. Jeez, you're strong. There you go. Yeah, you're doing a good job, bud.